Welcome, everyone. It's good to be back presenting. There's so much that I can talk about, but I chose a few nuggets that I hope will help you in your day-to-day work. Today, you'll see the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I'm not commenting on my appearance. A little bit about myself for you to know is that I've been 40 years in the steel industry. 16 of these years were in production. I've actually been working on SDS2 for 30 years, and 24 of those years I've been working here at Design Data. I served on several AIC committees and presented sessions at the NACC. Don't know it all, always eager to learn and share what I do know, as I hold on to my sanity, which can be sketchy like my memory at times. Okay, don't have a lot of time, so let's dig into this. So what are we going to be covering? We're going to do a refresher on the revision tool and its benefits. Why using the 2D revision chart is an absolute requirement now. Creating a clean seed file, which is very important. We're going to take a surface look at modular properties, the benefits, creation, adding modular properties to seed projects, and if you must, blending legacy and modular properties. I'm going to bring up a couple of issues with the BOM and material properties. We're going to look at the issues with the new 16th edition and 12th edition material files, which will be fixed in 2025. And we're also going to take a look at just one example of why your main material is not getting the shipping mark. And for those that remember the 6.2 seminar, I plugged a little picture there on the right-hand side. Let's move to the model revision tool. Back in version 7.3, whenever that was, I spoke about using model revisions. Now it's 2024 and I still see that several people are not using them. Maybe I can inspire you to consider using this tool due to the requirements to have more data available for tracking. Let's begin by stating that model and drawing revisions are completely different tools. You can use model revisions without using the drawing revisions. In fact, this presentation will only be about model revisions. So what is the benefit of using model revisions? It's a quick, easy way to track and store revision data inside the model. This will permit you to generate lists for the fabricators. You can color code models by revision. You can export data for review for other parties. You can save lists, and it's a great way to validate changes for revisions and dealing with disputes. So, where do you set up this data for the model revisions? There are 3 locations that you can go ahead and add in these revisions. Let's start off with the first one, which is going to be my project settings, modeling, member revisions. Now, please do not mess with that 0 line. Start off by adding in one. I'm going to go and put a change order number 1 for the wonderful reason of because. If I can spell, go ahead and hit OK. Where's the next location?